Okay, boss, I'm on the ground and ready. What are we doing again?
The Terrans have a supply convoy that comes through this part of the city once a month. It supplies their entire garrison here with food.
And we're gonna take it out?
We're certainly going to try.
In order to select a unit, click on it with the left mouse button. Try it now. Moving your units is easy. Just click on the move icon in the order palette and then left click on the ground. You can also directly click with the right mouse button where you want. Okay, now move your soldier to the next beacon. It's to the east of you, so you may need to move your camera view to see it. Move the camera using the arrow keys on the keyboard. You can also move the camera by having the mouse pointer touch the edges of the screen.
Leave it to Sarge. Leave it to Sarge. Leave it to Sarge.
You've received reinforcements. You can select all of them at the same time with the drag selection. Left click and hold the mouse button, then drag out a selection box to cover all of your units. Try it now. When you have several units selected, they organize themselves in formations. You can change their formation by clicking on the formation button and then choosing another one from the list. Now, move all of your units to the next beacon.
Yes, sir. At once. Yes, sir.
In general, vehicles have stronger armor in front and are weaker in the rear and at their sides. You can control your units facing when giving move orders by holding down the right mouse button and dragging the mouse in the direction you want them to face. Try this when moving your units to the next beacon.
I can do it, sir. I can do it, sir.
While you always see the battlefield and its features, you cannot see enemies unless they are within the view range of one of your units and have a clear line of sight. Buildings, hills, and other terrain features block their view. Move your soldiers to the next beacon.
Yes, sir. We can do it. Yes, sir. We can do it.
Sir, incoming enemies. Let's take them
Enemy
out.
detected, sir.
Sarge
Enemies are
does what
approaching.
Sarge does best.
Your units will automatically
under heavy
attack the
fire.
enemy by default.
Sarge does
You
what
can
Sarge
also
does
manually
best.
order
Boss,
your
I'm in
units to
trouble.
attack. Just click on an enemy with
I'm on
the
it,
right
boss.
mouse button. Now, take out the enemy
Yes, sir.
soldiers.
At once.
Any of you guys in need of repairs?
Your units have suffered some injuries. The combat engineer can repair your vehicles and treat your infantry. Select the engineer, click on the repair icon, and then on the unit in need of aid. When you are ready, move to the next beacon.
Negative, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can do it. Yes, sir. At once. Yes, sir. We can do it.
I'll do my best. Yes, sir. I'll do my best.
Notice the wooded area ahead. Only infantry can move through forests. Leave your vehicles behind and pass through the forest with your infantry.
I can do it, sir. I will do it, sir.
Yes, sir. At once. Yes, sir. At once. Yes, sir.
Infantry inside forests receive additional protection from damage. They will also be harder for enemies to detect. Now, continue through the forest.
Yes, sir. At once. Yes, sir. At once. Yes, sir.
Tagged and bagged.
Yes, sir. We can do it. Yes, sir. We can do it.
Remember, you can rotate the camera by holding down the middle mouse button and moving the mouse around. You can also switch between the classic ground control camera and the top-down RGS camera by holding down Shift and pressing C.
Yes, sir. At once. Yes, sir. We can do it.
Sarge does what Sarge does best.
We're under heavy fire.
Right between the eyes.
Yes, sir.
Boss, I think that convoy's almost here.
Right. Better get in position, Sergeant.
Buildings can
Yes,
offer
sir.
infantry protection in a firefight. Order your men to enter a building by right-clicking on it. Note that you can choose which side of the building to enter.
Yes, sir.
Leave it to
Take out the
Sarge.
convoy
We're
from
under
the
heavy
position
fire.
within the buildings.
Leave it to Sarge. Leave it to Sarge.